Alright, this is a video showing off the new sync generator replacement for the Bega's battle hardware. First I'm going to show what the game looks like running on the original sync chip that came with the game. So that's what the countdown looks like. There's the original sync chip running with an adapter that I made. So now I'm going to put the sync generator replacement in right here. It's keyed, so I don't need to look that closely. I can kind of just feel around until it goes in. Now if I don't plug anything else into it and just turn it on, then it's going to look pretty much the same. And there's going to be a red LED that's blinking, showing that it's working. So this is the backward compatibility mode. So you can still use the original LDP 1000A in this mode if you want to. Now to use this with a different Laserdisc player, then you need to plug in a few video cables into these ports. So the first video cable is the one coming from your NTSC decoder board, the chroma board, and it's the one that used to go into your original Laserdisc player. So one of those goes into here. The other end goes into the chroma board. I happen to be using a Super Dawn board instead of the original board, but it's the same concept. And then the other cable that you're going to want to plug into goes from your Laserdisc player's video output into this board. So in my case, I'm using Dexter right here. Here's my output. Alright, so now I've got one cable going into the Laserdisc player output, in my case Dexter, the other cable going into the NTSC decoder or the chroma board. So basically the video signal is coming into this board and going out, and this board is intercepting the signal and grabbing the sync from it. Doesn't matter which one of these you plug the Laserdisc player or the chroma board into. Either one's fine because it's basically just a pass-through. So now let me power this on so you can see the difference. So it looks pretty much the same. And now instead of a red LED blinking, you'll see a green LED blinking, which means that this board is correctly grabbing the sync from the Laserdisc video output. And as you can see, it's working.
Okay, Captain, let's knock him out of New York.
Yep, so it's got the green LED, so it's getting the video from Dexter. So pretty awesome. So I hope that helped you get up and running with your new sync generator replacement.